Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Realme is announcing its GT5 Pro flagship next week. According to a reliable source, the device might be priced up to $490. We on Amazon Black Friday promo this season. We offer the best price and deal. Please support us. I will leave the link in the description. For that price, you get a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered smartphone with a Sony IMX890 sensor behind its 50MP periscope telephoto camera. Who is generally on point with such scoops, even if they didn't reveal which online retailer posted the image. Meanwhile, more official teasers revealed the GT5 Pro will be the company's first smartphone with wireless charging, supporting rapid 50W rates. Realme does not sell such a powerful wireless charger, meaning we are likely to see a fancy stand get announced on stage to complement the GT5 Pro capabilities. Wired charging will be 100W for the 5400 mAh battery. And Realme said the GT5 Pro can charge from 0% to 50% in 12 minutes. The full capacity is enough for the phone to run the Honor of Kings game for 8 hours straight. The hardware of GT5 Pro will be quite demanding, so the company is implementing a VC cooling solution and layered materials. The Realme GT5 Pro from the front right next to an unnamed device. The goal is to show how thin the bezels are and the slightly rounder corners compared to the mystery device. The post doesn't go into details, but from previous leaks, we know that the 6.78-inch OLED screen will support 144Hz refresh rate and feature 1220p resolution. We also need to mention that ambient temperature plays a big factor in the charging time. Our test was carried out at 23°C room temperature. The phone was kept on for the tests, and we did check up on the screen to see how the charging was progressing, which likely contributed to the 2-minute gap between Realme's claimed numbers and our results. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.